In today's top story, we delve into the escalating war of words between Andhra Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan and Tamil Nadu Deputy Chief Minister Udyanidhi remarks on Sanatan Dharma.
Pawan Kalyan, the Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh and leader of the Jana Sena party, recently delivered a passionate speech in Tirupati, declaring himself an unapologetic Sanatani Hindu. This event was marked by the unveiling of the Varahi Declaration, aimed at protecting Sanatan Dharma amid ongoing controversies surrounding the recent Tirupati Laddu.
The controversy began when Udyanidhi Stalin, in a statement last year, likened Sanatan Dharma to diseases like malaria and coronavirus, suggesting it needed to be eradicated. This remark has sparked significant backlash, particularly from Pawan Kalyan.
கொசு, டெங்கு காய்ச்சல், மலேரியா, கொரோனா இதையெல்லாம் நம்ம எதிர்க்கக்கூடாது, ஒழித்து கட்ட வேண்டும். அப்படிதான் இந்த சனாதனம்.
Pawan Kalyan, a prominent actor turned politician and Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, recently addressed a gathering in Tirupati. He strongly criticized Stalin's remarks, asserting that Sanatan Dharma cannot be wiped out and calling for a strong national act to protect it.
Dharma complete ஒரு வைரஸ் மாதிரி அதை எங்க நாச பண்ணணும் சொல்றாங்க. இது ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Whoever said this, let me tell you, sir, you cannot wipe out Sanatana Dharma. I will tell you why. By the end of my speech, I'll tell you why you cannot wipe out Sanatana Dharma. If anyone tries to wipe out Sanatana Dharma, let me tell you, from the feet of Lord Balaji, you will be wiped out.
In response, Udyanidhi Stalin has maintained a cryptic stance, stating, "Let us wait and see," indicating that the issue is far from over. He has not retraced his previous statements, which continues to fuel the controversy.
In response, Udyanidhi Stalin offered a cryptic retort, saying, "Let's wait and see," when asked about Kalyan's warnings. The statement is viewed as a challenge to Kalyan's stance and reflects the ongoing rivalry between the two leaders. Udyanidhi previously sparked controversy by equating Sanatan Dharma to diseases like malaria, which had led to significant backlash and ongoing debate regarding his remarks.
The exchange has ignited a broader political debate, with leaders from various parties weighing in. The controversy has also stirred strong reactions among the public, particularly those who hold Sanatan Dharma in high regard.
The fallout from this verbal clash has sparked intense discussions across social media platforms, with supporters and critics on both sides expressing their opinions.
This ongoing dispute highlights the sensitive nature of religious sentiments in India and the potential for political statements to escalate into larger conflicts. The call for Sanatan Dharma Protection Board by Pawan Kalyan underscores the demands for legislative measures to safeguard religious beliefs.
Kalyan's emphasis on protecting Sanatan Dharma and his proposals for legal reforms have resonated with many constituents who prioritize religious identity and cultural preservation. His declaration of being an unapologetic Sanatani Hindu is likely to galvanize support among Hindu voters, especially in the context of the broader socio-political climate that emphasizes religious issues. On the other hand, Udyanidhi Stalin's remarks have provoked a backlash, particularly among those who perceive his comments as derogatory towards Hinduism. This could alienate certain voter segments in Tamil Nadu, where the political landscape is increasingly influenced by sentiments around religious identity and social justice.
As situation develops, it remains to be seen how both leaders will navigate this controversy and what impact it will have on their potential careers and public perception. Stay tuned for more updates on this evolving story. Thank you for joining us. Up next, we have more news from around the world. Stay with us. Eagle Media Network, I'm Priyanka Nehru.